Hello everyone. This lesson is very important. I am telling you, students don't know what are the opportunities after GATE. The moment you give your GATE examination, the result came, and what are the further opportunities apart from MTech from IITs, NITs, or IIC Bangalore and many different good institutes and PSU job where all your GATE score is applicable. I am gonna tell you in this particular lesson under the course Strategy for GATE, presented by me, Harshit Agarwal. Graduated from NIT Nagpur in 2008, cleared the Indian Engineering Service Examination and GATE examination, got the offer letter from most of the Maharatna and Navratna companies. Regarding course fee, as you already know, there is no course fee as such, but your contributions are always welcome. You can also follow me on the specified link. So to start with, here is the GATE examination. The moment your result came, what are the different opportunities? आप GATE score आपका कहाँ कहाँ valid है? You can apply for PSU jobs. You can apply for NITI Mumbai. This college is a very good college. I am telling you, you can go for post graduation diploma in industrial engineering. Good packages after the course. You will be learning a lot. Good atmosphere, good college. Next, GATE score is also applicable in foreign universities. कुछ foreign universities में भी आपका GATE score valid है. Most of the aspirants don't know this point. Right, you can go to research field side. You can go into IIMs. There are IIMs जहाँ पे गेट स्कोर वैलिड है. IIM कलकत्ता में बहुत अच्छा कोर्स है गेट के लिए. देयर आर फ्यू अदर IIMs जहाँ पे फेलोशिप प्रोग्राम होता है. सो योर गेट स्कोर इज वैलिड इन IIMs एज वेल. एंड लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, एज यू ऑलरेडी नो, यू कैन गो फॉर MTech फ्रॉम रिप्यूटेड NITs एंड IITs ऑल ओवर इंडिया. ठीक है, तो ये डिफरेंट अपॉर्चुनिटीज है. जनरली स्टूडेंट्स का फोकस वाई देर इज सो मच ऑफ एप्लीकेशंस इन गेट बिकॉज ऑफ दिस पब्लिक सेक्टर अंडरटेकिंग जॉब्स, राइट, विच कंप्राइजेज ऑफ डिफरेंट स्टेट government jobs, central level government jobs, cabinet secretariat jobs, Maharatna PSUs, Navaratna PSUs, all through GATE, right? So we will be discussing these all in detail. First of all, foreign universities. The two important universities of Singapore, that is National Universities of Singapore and Nanyang Technical University of Singapore. These two universities are very good, world-class universities. You can do post-graduation PG course from these universities. And I am telling you, the research work over there is ट्रमेंडसली वेरी गुड. ठीक है, आप एक बार इसकी सर्च करना. गेट का स्कोर वैलिड है NUS और NTU पे. इफ़ यू वांट मोर इन्फॉर्मेशन ऑन दीज टू पर्टिकुलर यूनिवर्सिटीज़, यू कैन आस्क मी. आई विल बी गिविंग यू सेपरेट लेसन पर्टिकुलरली फॉर दीज टू यूनिवर्सिटीज़. एंड देयर आर फर्दर फॉरेन यूनिवर्सिटीज़ इन म्यूनिक एंड HN म्यूनिक जर्मनी वेयर गेट स्कोर आपका वैलिड है. यू कैन गो फॉर रिसर्च वर्क इन दीज फॉरेन यूनिवर्सिटीज़. सो जब भी आपका गेट का रिजल्ट आता है, द मोमेंट योर रिजल्ट केम, डोंट बी डिप्रेस्ड दैट आई हैवंट गॉट through any PSU, I haven't got through MTech in IITs or IIC Bangalore. There are further more opportunities lying in front of you. You need to explore. You need to explore how your GATE score can be used if you have a good GATE score, right? So these are the public sector undertaking jobs. These are the few PSUs. These are not the all, but few PSUs in which you can apply. आपको application देखना पड़ेगा, continuously notification देखना होगा कि कब किस PSU का कब notification आ रहा है, and accordingly you have to apply. सबसे पहले गेट का notification आता है. गेट के notification का different public sector का notification आता है, which you have to apply separately, right? For example, ONGC, BHEL, IOCL, NTPC, HPCL, CIL, SAIL, GAIL, BEL, BPCL. These are the few public sector undertakings. Apart from that, there is a notification related to Cabinet Secretariat. There is a state PSUs which recruit through the GATE एग्जामिनेशन. सो आपको एक फोकस रखना होगा, आपको ध्यान देना होगा कि कौन सा नोटिफिकेशन कब आएगा. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दिस, आई विल बी टेलिंग यू व्हेन द नोटिफिकेशन केम फॉर अ पर्टिकुलर PSU. जस्ट कीप फोकसिंग, जस्ट कीप गोइंग थ्रू दिस अनअकैडमी, जस्ट कीप फोकसिंग थ्रू माई लेसन्स. आई विल बी कवरिंग अप ऑल इन डिटेल इन माई अपकमिंग लेक्चर्स. Next comes this you already know. You can go for ME and MTech. First is the GATE score is valid for foreign universities. GATE score is valid for public sector undertakings. GATE course is valid for ME and MTech in IITs, NITs, ISC, and several other good institutes. You can apply for that if you are really interested in doing ME or MTech, right? Next come IIM through GATE. This is very interesting part. There is one very very important course in IIM Calcutta which is post graduation diploma in business analytics. For this particular course you need to have a valid GATE score. If you have a good GATE score, you can apply for this course. Apart from that, there is some fellow program in management provided by IIMs. These programs are for 4 to 5 years. If you are willing to join this course, if you want to go for this course, these courses are really helpful because what you will be dealing in, आपको basically क्या deal करना होगा to identify and research complex issues in the field of management. You have to identify the complex issues. You have to do research on this complex issues. You can go through different websites of different IIMs and you can search this fellow program in management. So what I mean to say over here is that GATE score आपका IIMs में भी valid है. GATE score आपका IIMs में भी valid है. You just need to concentrate. You just need to focus. Next, Community Mumbai. As I have already told you, very good college, good ambience, good package. You will learn a lot in this college. National Institute of Industrial Engineering in Mumbai, and these are the three programs in which your GATE score is valid. First is very good course. This is the topmost course in this particular college, post-graduate diploma in industrial engineering. Next course is the post-graduation diploma in manufacturing management, and the third one is post-graduate diploma in project management. ये तीन courses GATE के through आप इसमें apply कर सकते हैं. बहुत interesting है. अगर PSU और आपका कहीं और नहीं हो रहा है, आप एक बार NITI मुंबई में बिल्कुल अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट, जो लास्ट ईयर का प्लेसमेंट है, एवरेज सैलरी जो था वो 15 लैक्स का पैकेज जो स्टूडेंट्स का था, एंड द हाईएस्ट सैलरी वाज अराउंड 37 लैक्स, एंड टोटल 115 कंपनीज विजिटेड लास्ट ईयर टोटल. सो अगर आपका गेट स्कोर अच्छा नहीं है, एवरेज है, यू कैन अप्लाई फॉर निटी, राइट. नीड नॉट टू टेक अ ड्रॉप इन अ ईयर. निटी पे जाइए, एडमिशन लीजिए. अच्छा कोर्स है, गुड कोर्स है, गुड पैकेज है. टोटल 115 कंपनीज विजिटेड लास्ट ईयर. सो दिस इज द डिफरेंट अपॉर्चुनिटीज. दिस इज द डिफरेंट अपॉर्चुनिटीज ऑफ गेट. गेट इज नॉट लिंक्ड टू PSUs और MTech. गेट हैज़ अ वेरी वाइड area in which you can explore, right? Thanks a lot from my side. I'll be giving you more clues, more lessons on different topics. Just keep asking me whatever you want. I'll be trying my best to help you with the technical sessions as well. Thanks a lot. This is Harshit Agarwal.